In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see karma on Reddit. This is a very simple process and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. If you're new to Reddit, karma is basically a score connected to your account that reflects how other users have responded to your posts and comments over time. It's often one of the first things people want to check when they start using the platform more actively. To begin, go to Reddit. You can do this in your web browser by visiting the Reddit website and making sure you're signed into your account. If you're not logged in yet, take a second to do that first, because your karma will only appear on your own profile page. Once you're on Reddit and signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll usually find your profile icon or avatar. Click on your profile icon to open the account menu. This menu gives you access to several account-related options, and it's the fastest way to get to your profile. After the menu opens, click View Profile. This will take you directly to your Reddit profile page where you can see information related to your account activity. Your profile is where Reddit shows a summary of who you are on the platform, including your posts, comments, and account details. When your profile page loads, look over to the right side of the page. There, you'll see your karma displayed. Depending on Reddit's current layout, it may appear as a total number or be grouped into categories such as post karma and comment karma. Either way, this is the section that shows your karma score. If you don't see it immediately, give the page a second to fully load and make sure you're on your own profile rather than someone else's. Also, keep in mind that Reddit occasionally updates its design, so the exact placement may look slightly different, but it's still typically visible on the profile page, and that's it. To see your karma on Reddit, just go to Reddit, click your profile icon in the top right corner, select View Profile, and then check the right side of your profile page. Once you know where it is, it's very easy to find anytime you want to track your activity or see how your contributions are performing on the platform.